Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching domestic animal names in Sotho. Kgoho, kgoho. Kgoho means chicken. Kulube, kulube. Kulube means pig. Kgomo, kgomo. Kgomo means cow. Katsi, katsi. Katsi means cat. Nja, nja. Nja means dog. Pudi, pudi. Pudi means goat. Nku, nku. Nku means sheep. Pere, pere. Pere means horse. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.